Hello, in this video we are going to check how big is the iPhone 15 Pro Max. I'm gonna get the small comparison to the iPhone 15 Plus, Pixel 7 Pro, and also we can check the official Apple website. We got information about the sizes right here and we can quickly check it. So let me do this right now. So the first parameter, it should be around 7.6, and it is actually. And this one is also almost 16 centimeters like on the website. So yeah, that's the true. That's, by the way, the iPhone 15 Plus. So as you can see, the iPhone 15 Pro Max, it's actually a little bit smaller, I guess. Yeah, looks like it's smaller. And here I have also the Pixel 7 Pro, and it's also smaller. And that's how it looks in the hand. So I have the average hand size. I cannot definitely reach the top of the screen, so I have to move it like that. When I hold it like that, there's no way I can reach the power button. The volume buttons are really hard to reach, so I have to move it a little bit higher. So that's the size of the iPhone 15 Pro Max. That's all for this video. Hope you like it.